How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the people that you have deleted from your friends list in your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. You'll get logged into your Snapchat account, then tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left. At this page, scroll below. Under Friends, tap on My Friends. Now you will be able to see all of the friends that you have in this Snapchat account. In case you would like to find the name of the persons or their username that you have unfriended by mistake or on purpose, then tap on the search bar icon on your top. Here simply type in their name. And if you do so, you will be able to find their Snapchat handle. Simply tap on add, and this is how you can do it. In case you do not remember the username or Snapchat account, here is what you can do to find them. Go onto your profile, scroll below and tap on to add friends. Under quick add, you will be able to find the person that you are looking for because these are all the people that is somehow connected or mutual to your current Snapchat friends. And that is how you will be able to find that person. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay tuned and thank you for watching.